A urgent weather message from the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Medina. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Cuyahoga County. This includes the city of Strongsville. Northeastern Medina County. This includes the city of Litchfield. Until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Litchfield, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Brunswick, North Royalton, Parma, and Solent.
Wow.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County, Medina County, until 2